Want to save battery on your Apple Watch? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to make your watch last longer without losing too much functionality. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Now, start by going to your apps or main menu on the Apple Watch. From there, tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Battery. Inside the Battery section, scroll again and you'll see an option called Low Power Mode. Tap to turn it on. On the next page, you'll get two options, either Turn On or Turn On for limited notifications and other features. Just go ahead and enable Low Power Mode. Once this is on, your Apple Watch will start using less battery for everyday tasks. Next, head back to the main Settings menu and scroll down until you find Display and Brightness. Tap on it and reduce the brightness a little. The screen is one of the biggest battery drainers, so this step helps a lot. Now go back and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down until you find Crown Haptics. Turn it off. Right below that, you'll also see System Haptics. Turn that off too. These small vibrations use extra battery, and turning them off can make a difference. Still want to save more battery? Go to the passcode option in Settings. Scroll down again and look for wrist detection. Turn it off. You'll be asked to enter your passcode to confirm. But just a heads up, disabling wrist detection comes with some trade-offs. Features like automatic locking, fall detection, emergency SOS, heart rate and blood oxygen tracking, sleep tracking, noise alerts, and even double-tap gestures will be turned off. So, only do this if you're okay with losing some of those health and safety features. That's it. Your Apple Watch is now running on optimized battery settings. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.